In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fade in and fade out video in CapCut. First, launch your CapCut app, open your project and select the video you want to apply the fade effect to. For fade in, move the playhead to the point where you want the video to start fading in, usually right at the beginning. Then select the clip and tap the keyframe button, which is the diamond icon next to the play button. Once the keyframe is added, scroll to the options at the bottom, tap on opacity and reduce it all the way down to 0. Then confirm. Next, move the playhead to where you want the video to be fully visible. Tap the keyframe button again. Open opacity and increase it to 100%. When you play the clip, you'll see a smooth fade-in effect. To create a fade-out, move the playhead to where you want the fade-out to begin. Add a keyframe, then move to where you want the video to completely fade out. Add another keyframe. Open opacity. Set it to 0. Once done, playing the video will show a clean fade out at the end, giving your edit a polished and cinematic finish. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.